with the quantity that we already determined, and then we can go to reference 4b to get the information for the costs. The first is the roof structure, and I put the code here so that you can be easy to locate. So the roof structure is rafter 2 by 8, 12 on center. So if you go to the reference and B, and you have that in 2 by 8, 12 on center, the cost is 310. So that's why we have that in here, 310. Roof covering, insulation, asphalt covering, and we can go back to the reference again, reference B, and we go to the roof coverings and insulation, go down further to get the information. Roof covering and shingle and tile, and we have a B10, B 3010, B3010, 140, we have it here, and 1100. So there are single 4-inch slope, so you have that one, and 157 per square foot, you have that. And then insulation, we go down further, and our insulation you have here is a composite of 1-inch fiber board and 1.5 poly that chemicals, and that here composite 1.5 polysilicate and 219. So you have 219 per square foot. Roof edge, go for the roof edge here, and we have a sheet mantle, so you have that 2060. So on the code, as you can see there, based on the uniform format tool that we talked in the previous video when we use the assembly or system estimate, and that 2060 per linear feet of edge. Skylight, go down further, skylight here, and we have a 25 square feet, so it's between years, and double glazing, so it will be 27.93 per square foot of skylight. So from that we have the can add up with the quantity for the roof structure, roof covering, insulation throughout, so it's the same quantity. Shingles, asphalt shingle, it's also the same square feet we need for the structure and for the insulation. Roof edge measure in linear feet, and then skylight square feet. So with the unit cost on the item here, you can track to reference B, and from that we can make a product, add them up. For this roof, it's about 20,665 national average. Of course, if it's Fort Myers, you can time for 86% to get the cost. So that is basically the ideas of using the assembly or system estimate to do the cost estimate for one components. If you continue to do the same for other components, for example, air conditioning, structure, the process will be applied